In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in a Medium post. If you're writing on Medium and want to make your article more visually engaging, adding images is a simple way to break up text and help support your message. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can place an image into your post quickly and continue writing without interruption. First, go to your Medium home dashboard. This is the main area where you land after signing in, and it's where you can access your writing tools and start creating a new story. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Write. This opens a fresh draft where you can begin building your Medium post. After the new story page loads, place your cursor in the body area of the post before you start typing. You'll notice a small plus icon appear next to the text area. This plus icon is what Medium uses to let you insert different types of content into your story, including images. Click the plus icon and then select the image icon from the menu that appears. This tells Medium that you want to upload an image from your computer or device. As soon as you click it, a file selection window will open. Now choose the image you want to use from your device. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of the same image saved. Once you select it, Medium will begin uploading the image directly into your post. Depending on the image size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. After the image appears in the post, you're ready to continue the rest of your article. You can keep writing below the image and build out the rest of your content as normal. This makes it easy to place visuals exactly where they make the most sense in your story, whether that's near the beginning, in the middle of an explanation, or alongside a key point. A helpful tip is to insert your images at natural transition points in the article, so the post feels clean and easy to read. You'll also want to make sure your images are clear and relevant to the topic, since that helps improve the overall reading experience. And that's all it takes to insert images in a Medium post. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and intuitive, and it's a great way to make your Medium articles more polished and engaging,